never liked her for her body or the way she looked. She was never my girlfriend, just someone whose spirit caught my attention in a way I couldn't ignore. What stayed with me was how rooted she was in God, how she felt, and how she holded her faith quietly while so many around us chased moments they never lost. She didn't follow the noise, she carried peace, a kind of stillness that felt rare, and somehow, without trying, she made me look at my own faith with a new eye. Being drawn to her wasn't about desire, it was about truth, about recognizing something pure when the world keeps offering distractions. I never fell for her beauty, I fell for the way her faith stood firm, for the strength in her heart, for the way her life made me want to grow deeper in my walk with God too.